No, you look that way. No, you. 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 I'm always south. Fine, now look north. This is Amtrak's northeast corridor. But I'm pointing my phone to the south. Fine, I'll point it to the north. Tell me when a train comes into view. That's... Oh, thanks. That train better blow its horn. Name. Do this. Come on, Amtrak. Come on, Amtrak. Come on. Come on, Amtrak. Maybe, I guess the train operator doesn't see us. As usual. 6:22, I see. Huh.
The people on the platform getting ready to get on the Amtrak train.
And head north to New York. Okay. We really need to ride Amtrak again soon. So I can maybe we can make our episode there. Get back, and bring me to the center of the car. Wait a minute. Now the door's open. Yeah.
Huh? Do it. I will.
Indeed. Elizabeth, text me. Send a message. I'll look out after the train departs, then I'll stop when I can stop the video.
How is this train?
Hi. A door is now opening. You don't need to do that.
There's something on that train yet?
Nope. I don't know how long it takes the train to make a station stop. Okay, so when we get home name, please pick the northeast corridor. The train really wants to pull the Amtrak train again.
You wanna make an episode?
Maybe if you fix the corridor. Name, back up, stop. Stop it, Name. Stop, would you? Oh.
Kind of hard right there at Walmart.
Well, this is not Walmart.
Okay.
This is New Car.
Can't do it. Hop.
How can I do it when I'm standing at the brick wall?
Okay, how? Let me see. Now.
We're not at Walmart. We're at a public train station.
Come on, just have to.
I don't want time for this.
What?
Get back to home. Yes, I can hear the bell.
Ding, 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 ding. No, there is no train. Ding, 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 ding.
That's odd.
Ah!
He's coming from the south.